let's make $1,000 a day using AI. Start with this guy. He will teach you how to use AI to make money selling physical art on a huge marketplace.
I'm gonna try to sell physical AI art prints for 30 days. I'll be covering the entire process, from generating to printing to advertising. With people reportedly making hundreds of dollars a day, let's see how much money I can make with my prints.
That's an 8-minute long video, and we don't know how much he's going to make. So I'm gonna give you everything in 7 steps in under 2 minutes. Step 1, niche research, and it's boring. Using an application called eRank. It's free to start without your credit card. It shows you the competition for the keywords. It gives you complete details, trends, searches by country. Step 2, generate art using AI applications.
The first step is to find an AI art generator. I'll be mainly using Midjourney, Night Cafe, and Stable Diffusion, which can generate unlimited images for free. Let's generate a chicken wing oil painting. That looks finger looking good. The plan is to sell my AI.
You got the point. But the smart thing is doing is starting with multiple niches and see which one sticks. Step number 3, finding a company that prints on demand.
Not if I use print on demand. Print on demand is a process where you get a company to print custom art and products for you only when an order is made. There's no need to handle the printing, packaging, or shipping. They do it all for you. The print on demand service I'll be using is Printful. They offer.
So go to printful.com and create a free account. All right, step number 4. This is an important note. Don't forget.
Most AI art generators output images at low resolutions, around 500 to 1,000 pixels wide. If I want to print my images big, I'm going to need to upscale them. There are a ton of paid and free AI image upscalers out there. I'll be using Gigapixel AI. It can upscale images up to 6 times its original resolution by using AI to fill in the missing details. My AI art is ready to be uploaded to Printful. And boom, it's listed as a draft on Etsy. Printful makes things incredibly easy, and I'm excited.
Step 5, upload your images and connect Printful with your Etsy shop. Here is a secret. Don't stop in one. This guy did it 60 times, which means 60 images. Step number 6.
Next, the title. Its main purpose is to help people find the listing through Etsy's search and Etsy's algorithm. I'm gonna fill it up with keywords that people search for in my artworks niche. I'll be doing the same with tags, which is the third element and serves a similar purpose to the title. The fourth element is shipping. People love free shipping, and Etsy even prioritizes listings that have it. So I'm gonna offer it to customers in the US and Canada. Speaking of which, pricing. It is the last important element. As I'm offering my prints in a range of sizes, I've priced each size differently. I fiddled around with the eRank profit calculator, taking into account all my costs to give me prices with a profit margin of around 30 to 45%. The exception is with the smallest size I offer, 5 by 7 inches.
Title, description, tags, shipping, and pricing. But before we go to step number 7, this happened.
I'm already in trouble. My account got suspended. Is Etsy cracking down on AI art? I did some digging, and apparently random suspensions happen all the time, especially.
But good news, he appealed and got it back in just 7 days. Okay, that was not the step. So the 7th step is he ran paid ads. But don't worry, you don't have to. Now let's see the results.
Millions. Hopefully this will make my listings stand out. Holy, what is going on? My listings are blowing up. Most of these visits are from the direct and other traffic channels. That doesn't make sense. I'm not sharing my Etsy shop anywhere. I'm reading on Google that visits from that channel are most likely bots. That is crazy. That means only 6 real people have visited my listing so far. 6 real people over the last 18 days. What? Are you kidding me? I don't even know if I'll be able to even sell 1 print by day 30. I am honestly worried now. By day 26, I created 24 more listings for a total of 60. Yet, I still had no sales. I was feeling stressed and getting desperate. With 5 days left in the challenge, I had no choice but to make a last-ditch attempt to make sales that I'd been avoiding since the start of the challenge. I'm gonna run Etsy ads.
Okay, I'm gonna save your time, and this is what happened. He spent, which is minus $33.94, and earned $45.98, which is $4.29 in pure profit. Isn't it amazing? Hell no. And that's why we don't do this. What we do makes us $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions. And the reason our beginner students just like you love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment and caption for a free case study.